Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy, Senior Commodity Market Strategist here in Chicago with RJO Futures. Giving you a brief rundown on some of the ag markets here. First day back at trading following the Martin Luther King holiday yesterday. We'll have export inspections here within a few moments at 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. The grain markets today are trading to the downside. Corn's trading at about 383 3/4, down 3 1/4 cents. Soybeans more so at 975, down 16 1/4 cents. And wheat's trading at 524 1/4, down 8.5 cents. It's really a wave of bearish fundamental news today. These three grain markets, for the most part, probably could be deemed oversold technically, but the majority of the news coming out, at least today, thus far has been bearish. There was further Chinese order cancellations on their soybeans. We had some last week prior, but we have a few new ones also today. They're also thinking that potentially that demand could slow. If they're canceling orders now, it could affect the exports going forward. Also, with the harvest getting underway in Brazil, some of that demand could shift to the Brazilian soybean market instead. Corn's going to follow beans being down so strongly here thus far. Also, we have stronger dollar today and weak energy markets. Crude oil's trading down about $2, so that's pulling on grains as well. Stocks were higher earlier in the session. Since the pit open in New York, there has traded some of those gains, and is now the S&P is trading down about 8 points. Something in mind with the corn as well is the collapse of some of the ethanol producers here in the Midwest. With the price of crude oil coming down, that's adversely affected ethanol, so it's really hit them as far as their production and hence their demand for corn. Also, there was some news that Russia was hinting at potentially implementing a grain export ban. That remains to be seen. You know, the news coming out of Russia changes day to day, but if that were to take place, that would affect the world grain market, specifically wheat. That's the morning roundup. It's John Kennedy in Chicago. Until the next time, happy trading. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.